Uncover a rare oceanfront treasure at Edgewater Arms, the iconic first high-rise established along Fort Lauderdale's prestigious Galt Ocean Mile. Positioned on the 15th floor, Unit 15E presents an exceptional, highly coveted feature seldom found in one-bedroom residences, uncompromised, direct east-facing ocean views. Spanning 809 square feet, this elegant co-op offers a seamless layout framed by complete impact windows that showcase shimmering turquoise waters from every angle. Crisp neutral tile flooring flows throughout the airy living and dining spaces, leading to a glass-enclosed balcony perfectly positioned to enjoy the sunrise vistas. The light-filled suite features a spacious primary bedroom with sweeping Atlantic panoramas and a custom walk-in closet complemented by an updated kitchen with stainless appliances. Edgewater Arms provides a refined boutique beachfront lifestyle, complete with a heated oceanfront pool, fitness center, clubhouse, picnic and BBQ grounds, and a library. Located directly on the sand and just moments from world-class dining, shopping, and coastal entertainment, this classic mid-century landmark represents the ultimate beachside sanctuary. Presented by Prestige Waterfront Realty, visit our website for complete listing details.